Oracle AI for Fusion applications, unlocking the power of AI to transform enterprise applications and streamline business processes. AI Agent Studio is a comprehensive design time environment designed to empower organizations in creating, configuring, validating, and deploying AI agents tailored to their specific needs. Fully integrated into Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, AI Agent Studio provides secure and seamless access to knowledge stores, tools, and APIs, enabling direct deployment into workflows. Easily extend pre-configured agent templates or build new agents and multi-agent workflows from scratch to meet unique organizational requirements. By integrating agents directly into the workflow, AI Agent Studio ensures an efficient and streamlined process, enhancing productivity and user experience. Key capabilities of AI Agent Studio: utilize templates and natural language prompts to create or fine-tune agents for common business scenarios, such as opportunity to quote processing and shift scheduling. Configure multiple agents to collaborate on multi-step processes, integrating user approvals where necessary for complex workflows. Modify and extend existing agents in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications by incorporating new data sources, prompts, and APIs to fit specific business needs or industry requirements. Native integration with Fusion applications. Connect with external systems and collaborate with third-party agents for end-to-end automation with secure API support, expanding the reach of your AI solutions. Automatically applies the security configurations, policies, and access controls of Fusion applications, ensuring compliance with enterprise security standards and data protection. Utilize built-in tools to make your agent workflows reliable, repeatable, easy to explain, and secure by verifying AI-driven workflows before deployment, minimizing risks. Components of AI Agent Studio: agent teams and agents. Agent team is a structured sequence of steps or actions that a single agent or a group of agents follows to accomplish a specific business task or answer a user query. This component can be deployed for use and defines how the agent acts for a particular use case. Agent leverages a large language model to reason, create action plans, and interact with users to gather information and take direction. AI agents can perform tasks that enhance productivity, efficiency, and the overall user experience. An agent must be added to an agent team for deployment. More key concepts. Topic defines areas of expertise through instructions that set boundaries and constraints for agent conversations and abilities. Tool defines additional utilities an agent can use to accomplish a task. One or more tools are assigned to agents and are reusable. Instructions specifies natural language rules that define conditions applied to a given topic. Instructions are part of the prompts sent to the underlying large language model and can contain guidelines and guardrails. Access requirements for AI Agent Studio. To grant access to AI Agent Studio, you can either assign data security privileges to custom roles or assign predefined duty roles to job roles. For both methods, ensure permission groups are enabled for the roles. Pause the video and read more on this slide. Choosing your AI agent creation path. Deciding whether to create AI agents from scratch or use pre-configured templates depends on your specific use case and organizational needs. There are 45 pre-built agents available in 25C. Getting started with AI Agent Studio. Whether you choose a pre-configured template or build from scratch, the process involves defining tools, topics, building agents, and deploying them. If you have previously created RAG agents in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, it is recommended to replace them with agents created in AI Agent Studio for enhanced functionality and integration. Migrate your existing document tool from the Configure RAG Agents work area. Provide a unique tool name and code for easy identification within AI Agent Studio. After migration, create a new agent in AI Agent Studio using an appropriate template. Add your newly migrated tool to this agent. Publish your new agent and thoroughly test and verify its functionality. Once confirmed, you can safely delete the original RAG agent from the Configure RAG Agents work area. Now some FAQs. Why can't I see all agent teams? Only published agent teams are displayed by default. Use the draft button to view unpublished agents. Why isn't my agent fetching data from documents? Ensure your document is marked as published. Set its status to ready to publish. Run the process agent document scheduled process, then set the status to published. Best practice. One document tool per logical document. Single agent versus multi-agent workflow. Use single agent for straightforward tasks, e.g., retrieving data from one policy document. Opt for multi-agent workflows for complex scenarios involving multiple documents or user-specific answers. What file types are supported for document tools? You can upload PDF, TXT, and Markdown files. Topic versus system prompt editing. Updating a topic makes changes available across agents due to reusability. Changes to a system prompt are only for the edited agent. Tip: update topics for better reusability. Why does external REST tool only support HTTPS? This limitation ensures data privacy in transit. Why is the roles list in the Security tab empty? Permission groups are likely not enabled for your duty role. Security administrators can enable them in Security Console.